Welcome back to the channel. I've got a brand new product to show you from HeimVision. It's a sunrise alarm clock that is multifunctional. I don't often use an alarm clock. I use my phone, but because this is multifunctional, I thought this would be a good product to get. Here's a look at the box that it came in. It has a sunrise alarm feature, a Bluetooth speaker, different colored lights for mood, and acts as a sound machine with different nature sounds. It charges with a USB cord, or you can just leave it plugged in. The buttons are actually located on the side here. You can see the power button and to set the alarm over on this side. And then, oops, see, that's how you turn when you touch the back here, that's how you toggle between the different light settings. And then over here is the power button, and these plus and minus will change the song if you're using the Bluetooth mode, or the volume if you hold it down and it turns up the volume when you're using it as a speaker. And this is really cool. All you gotta do is touch the back. And the coolest one is going to be 9. Because the CL9, when we put the music on, is going to actually blink and move with the music. So I'm not going to go into details of exactly how to set the clock and alarm, but the instructions are in the user manual here that comes with the clock. So if you're looking for an alarm clock and the type of person that doesn't like buttons to toggle between functions, you might want a clock with fewer features. It does take a few minutes to get used to the buttons, and I did have to refer to the owner's manual. But it's not too bad once you read how to toggle between them, but it's just a little bit of a learning curve. So first I'm going to demonstrate the speaker, and then we'll do the sunrise alarm feature. So first I'm going to see what setting it's on. We're going to put it on 9. 7, 8, 9, okay. And then music from the phone here.
Summer's day in Shepherdstown, an eagle in a thermal as a circle around, like a tire on a bike rolling down Columbus Street. But Katie got a little look of hope in her eyes, and her arms unfold, and she looked to the skies and said, I'm gonna learn to fly around with you, yeah. She jumped up high, she fell on the ground and skinned her little knee and made a horrible sound. She got right up and she tried it again and smiling all the way with her ensemble grin.
As you can see, that's a pretty cool feature. I like how the lights blink to the music to have. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the dimming feature, the sunrise alarm clock feature. So now we're going to take a listen to the nature sounds. We got a beach. We got the heartbeat. Rainstorm. And the summer woods with the crickets. And this is sort of, sounds kind of like just sort of like whooshing traffic sounds, just for some background noise. Some rain. And the crashing waves is really nice. I like that one. So there's a good variety of different nature sounds depending on the kind of sound that's relaxing to you, whether it's a rainstorm or like for a child's bedroom, the beating heart. They might enjoy that, but that's a cool feature. I just dimmed the lights, so here's a look at the change in the colors that the device displays while it's in color changing mode. So if you like fun colors, here you go. You don't need to purchase a separate light. They're right here on the clock. Ooh, I like that color. Oh, that's a nice color. It's relaxing to watch it change. So if you're looking for a sunrise alarm clock with multiple other features built in, the Bluetooth speaker, colorful mood lights, and nature sounds, you might consider this HeimVision sunrise alarm clock. Check the description section below for more info. Thanks for watching.